Hi, I'm David Langlois with Madsen Langlois, Associate Broker at McDonald Realty and an accredited buyer's representative. Here's the buying process in a minute and a half or less. We start with a buyer consultation, where you'll come to understand the importance of buyer agency, why it's beneficial to you, and why it's critical to have an accredited buyer's representative representing your interest. We'll analyze your wants and needs, and then spend time looking in the marketplace for a home that's just right. We're in no hurry, and neither should you be. When we do find that perfect home, we determine its actual market value and use our advanced negotiating skills to get the best price and terms available. This is where the importance of having a certified negotiation expert like us on your side really becomes clear. Once we have an accepted offer, the all-important due diligence process begins. We have inspections to do, environmental issues to address, documentation to examine, and municipal inquiries to make, and more, all to protect your interests. Assuming all goes well, it's very exciting. You remove your conditions, pay your deposit, and get ready for the last few steps, which are retaining a lawyer or notary, getting ready to move, arranging insurance, and on closing day, paying for the home, and finally on possession day, getting keys to your new home. That's the whole process. I'm David Langlois with Madsen Langlois at McDonald Realty.